In this video, we will see how to check available disk storage space on Mac. This video is for MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, iMac and Mini Mac. If you are running out of space or you just want to check how much space is available on your Mac, then this video is for you. So let's get started. Click on the System Settings, go to General, click on the About section, then scroll down to the Storage section. Under Storage section, you will see the Storage Settings button. Click on the Storage Settings button, and here it is calculating the available storage space for us. Now you will see the graph with the different colors. Just hover over on the graph to see available space. For example, if I scroll here, I can see the available space is 187 GB. You can also hover over to the colorful area and see how the space has been taken by different applications. In this way, you can check available disk storage space on Mac. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.